With the cold weather officially here, it's the perfect time to give our immune systems a little extra love. So today I thought I'd share 3 immunity-boosting juice recipes that are packed with nutrients to keep us feeling strong and healthy. I'm starting off with a simple green juice. I like to have green juice first thing in the morning, either on an empty stomach or paired with breakfast. I think it's a great way to start the day on a healthy note. And if, like me, you're also trying to incorporate more greens into your diet, this is the perfect way to do it. For this, I use 2 green apples, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cucumber, a small piece of ginger, and 1 lime. I finally upgraded to a slow juicer last year, and it's definitely the best juicer I've ever had. It uses a slow squeezing method to extract the juice of your fruits and vegetables, so it ends up preserving more nutrients and maximizing the amount of juice you get. I also love how gentle and quiet it is. Minnie used to run away every time she saw me pull out the other juicer, but she doesn't even budge when I turn this one on. So it's a win-win for everyone. High quality cold pressed juice and a happy cat. This is one of my go-to juice recipes when it comes to supporting my immune system. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory properties. For this, I use 1 large orange or 2 smaller ones, 4 carrots, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper and cayenne. This juicer doesn't require that I do a lot of prep with the ingredients, but I still like to peel and chop everything into smaller pieces. I especially make sure to peel any citruses because the peel does make the juice taste bitter. I add everything to the juicer, and once everything is juiced, I stir in a pinch of black pepper to help the body absorb the turmeric better, and a little bit of cayenne pepper for an extra boost of nutrients. It also acts as a natural decongestant, so if you have a stuffy nose, it can help clear things up. Citrus fruits are a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function. So let's combine a few of them to make a super citrus juice. I'm using 1 orange, 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon, and a small piece of ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also known to improve digestion. So I love to juice a big batch of ginger and then freeze it in ice cube trays. This way I always have some ready to make a quick cup of tea. And I did make a video on this not too long ago, so I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. Combining ginger with citrus fruits provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and a boost in our immune system. And look at this beautiful color. The best time to drink a juice is right after making it, because this is when the nutrients are most potent. But if you're not able to for whatever reason, transfer it to an airtight container and make sure to drink it within 48 hours. I hope everyone is staying healthy this and every season. And if you'd like to see more simple and healthy juice recipes like this, I'll have a playlist linked on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.